In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline on both desktop and mobile platforms. This is particularly useful for those times when you might not have a reliable internet connection, but still need to access your emails. So let's dive right in and get you set up with Gmail offline. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account on your desktop. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, which is the gateway to configuring your Gmail experience. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you're in the initial settings menu, look for an option that says See All Settings and click on it. This will open a new page with a more detailed view of your Gmail settings. Now that you're in the full settings view, the next step is to locate the offline tab. You'll find it at the top alongside other settings like General, Labels, and Accounts. Click on the Offline tab to bring up options specifically for offline mail. You will see an option that reads Enable Offline Mail. When you select this checkbox, it allows Gmail to store your email data on your computer, making it accessible even when you're offline. Once you've done this, a few more options will appear for configuration. The first thing you'll encounter is a choice between keeping offline data on your computer and removing that data from your computer. If you choose to keep offline data, your emails will remain available even without an internet connection. If for some reason you prefer not to have this data stored when you're not using it, select the option to remove offline data from your computer. Your choice here depends primarily on your personal preferences and security considerations. After you've made your selections, the final step is to save these changes. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click on it. This confirms your settings and activates Gmail's offline functionality, and that's it. You've now set up Gmail to be used offline on your desktop. Whenever you're disconnected from the internet, you'll still be able to access your emails, which can be a lifesaver in many situations. If you need to set up Gmail offline on a mobile device, remember that the Gmail app also supports offline capabilities. While the setup process is slightly varied, the general premise remains the same. Find the settings, enable offline mode, and adjust your settings to either keep or remove offline data as needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Using Gmail offline can significantly enhance your productivity by ensuring you're prepared no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tech guides for a smoother digital experience.